Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set this GTM code to your WordPress site. So in the previous video I showed you how to create a Google Tag Manager account and how to create multiple Google Tag Manager account and multiple container. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to set up this code. So first of all, I'll copy this code from here and I'll go to the WordPress website backend, and here you just have to come header.php. Just click on appearance, then theme file editor, then click on header.php and you will get this interface. Now here you have to paste this code under this head section. Just click on after the head. You have to paste it here. Just paste it here. So and then you have to update file, but this is the old method. I'm not using this method. I am going to show you a standard method how you can set up your code in the backend of your WordPress website. So for that you have to download and plugins. You have to add on plugins. So go to plugins and add new plugins. Let's leave it. I will add on plugins which is named Google Tag Manager. GW. Here you can see here Google Tag Manager. So you have to install this plugin first. Here GTM4WP by Thomas Geiger. Just install and activate. So now I have installed that Google Tag Manager account, and now you have to go to the settings. Go to the setting and just go to your Google Tag Manager account, and you just have to copy this GTM code. You don't have to copy the whole code, just have to copy the GTM ID. So you have to copy it from here, and also you can copy it from here. So now copy it and go to your Google Tag Manager plugins and see here Google Tag Manager ID. Just paste it here. Now the container code on off, it will be 1, and it will be, you have to click on the footer, or you can manually, whether you want. Just click save changes. So okay, I have already I have installed this GTM code on the backend of my website. Now so in the next video I'll show you how to install Facebook pixel. So I'll show you whether whether the GTM code is connected or not, whether it is set up properly or not. So for that you need a extension which is called so I'll show you in the next video everything. So till now, so until then, bye. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set this